Hi, this is Dr. Rachna Khanna Singh. I'm head of Department of Holistic Medicine and Mental Wellness at Artemis Hospital in Gurgaon. The last one and a half year, we've seen a big change in the face of our relationships with everybody around us, and more so our relationship with our own self. So we've seen a huge alteration in the way we've been looking at things. It's been a very stressful time for all of us. Each and every individual, for us at an individual level, for us as at a level of whether you're a daughter, mother, child, spouse, parent, or even at a very stressful time, even at a community level. So, just to get everything in a perspective, when the virus came in March 2020, April 2020, when we had lockdown 1.0, 2.0, we suddenly came with this whole sense of fear and this whole sense of what is going to happen next. But having said that, we as a population, took it as a very wonderful challenge. And within 2-3 days, we were up and about. And we thought, let's fight this out. And everybody together, although we were in lockdown, but we had a bit of a cheer and a high-spirited temperament at that time. So we thought we were all going to fight it out. So, none of us had worked from home. So work from home became, wow, it was very interesting not to go out into the terrible traffic and to save the hours on the commute. Suddenly the skies became beautiful. The pollution came down. We could hear birds chirping. And suddenly by 3.0 and 4.0, we realized that this virus is not self-limiting. It's not going away very soon. So we started to have this sense of despair and we started to have this sense of disappointment around us. And with that, there was a rise in personal frustration. And once that rose, automatically our relationships started to get scarred and difficult as well. So, the time which we were spending enjoying with everybody, the same thing started irking us. Work life became very difficult. Boundaries, there were no boundaries. We were overstepping from work to home to work boundaries. The same people we were at one time enjoying with, the same thing became very difficult and big irritants. And that is one of the reasons why in the second half of 2020, the cases of domestic violence very sadly and unfortunately went up exponentially. And even the cases of divorces which were filed went up very, very severely. Man is a social being and we require a good support structure around us of people to help us stay happy and healthy and cheerful. But when our relationships around us are not good, when most of our relationships now, whether they are relationships at home, whether they are relationships with our friends, whether they are relationships with our relatives or with our neighbors around it, most relationships are not in place, we will not feel well. And obviously that is going to impact our mental health adversely. So, the cases of depression, anxiety, overthinking, not being able to sleep, a lot of anxious thoughts coming in, a lot of negative thoughts coming in, have obviously been a byproduct of the fact that, the relationships are not doing well. So for us to create healing for ourselves, we need to make sure that, we have our relationships around us also well. But firstly, the method to it is to create a better relationship with yourself. When I am in sync with my own self, my relationships around me will be automatically, or at least start to get healed automatically. If I am not in sync with my own self as a person, if I am all the time anxious, on tenterhooks, obviously I will be spilling over that kind of energy onto my relationships also. So it's going to be difficult to have happy relationships. So once I need to concentrate on myself, build a better version of myself with whatever you want to do. You put a list down for yourself, build a better version, so the relationships around will also be peaceful once I'm at peace with myself. To have harmony in our relationships, to be free from all the negative aspects of the relationship, firstly, I need to start working on myself. So once I am happy with myself, automatically I will be happier in my relationships also. And if specifically you have identified that there is a particular relationship which is a tough relationship or a difficult relationship, this is the time to work on it. So most importantly, it is very necessary to understand that you are not alone. We've all been facing difficulties. You're not the only one, but it's time to take a grip, move on with the difficulties, take freedom from it, take steps, identify and rectify. That will help you grow beautifully out of the difficulties.